Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are planting up red, white, and blue. They look a bit distressed, and that's because they have been a bit neglected. I had them in the back and I just haven't gotten around to getting them switched out, so I'm going to plant them up now. I'm surprised that the leaves are yellow because it's been raining so much. Maybe they're drowning and they have too much water, but it has also been very hot. So between the rain and the heat, they don't look too well. So I'm going to get them in the container, and I think they just want to get out of that container anyways. And if you remember my Hagen Ace, my Ace Hardware garden haul, I got these 3 plants here. This one is the Proven Winners Blew My Mind Evolvulus Hybrid. So it blew my mind. That's this one. And I believe someone says this is a Morning Glory hybrid. So this one is zones, it's a perennial in zones 9A through 11B, so that's good. Yay! And then these are zonal geranium, moho white, all about colors, full sun, is an annual. And 6+ hours of sun, it gets 12 to 16 inches tall, space 12 to 16, feed twice a month for fertilizer, allowed to dry out between waterings. And this one is like soggy wet, so it hasn't been drying out. So maybe because it's been getting too much water, it's why it's not looking too good. Like this one has been getting a lot of rain, so it's very happy. These two, yeah, the soil are very extremely hydrated, so it's not even got a chance to dry out. This container here, if you saw my Lowe's haul, you remember I got this one there. So I'm pretty much drilling holes, well, popping the pre-drilled holes and just popping them out. See? Pretty simple. There's a screwdriver and a hammer, and it comes right out. So 2 holes, and voila, we have our 2 holes popped out. So I'm pretty much going to replace this with this yellow container that I have. I'll leave a link in the description box below for this yellow container if you want to see it. So let's get it planted up with some soil. So I'm going to lay them out in thirds. So just these 3 containers will be fine. I think it's going to look pretty. Ta-da! All right, so let's get them in. So I pretty much put these in there so I can see where I need to put each of them. Let's put some biotone in there. I need to go get some more biotone. Let's mix it in. Oh my goodness, I think this is the last flower I'll be planting for the summer. So I won't have to plant anything until fall, which is a few months away. So I think this is it, guys. I finally got all my plants planted up. So I think I was doing blue right here. That's exciting. This is officially my last, well, not my last thing to plant, because I actually have some fruits and veggies and fruit trees to plant, so that's next. But in terms of flowers, this is my last one, so I'm excited. So this one is very hydrated, so that's good. Like I said, it has been raining a lot, so these have been getting watered. And then get another hole over here for the white one. Yeah, this one is like, oh my goodness, the roots are like so soggy. Yeah, it needed to get out this container. There you go. You can live your life now. Wow, this is going to be so pretty. I'm excited to see it in full bloom. Very excited because when I purchased it, the blooms on the geranium had looked pretty. So let's see what they do together. Let me get some more potting soil to fill in the gaps. Oh, I'm lying. I just said I'm done planting. I forgot about my side border. Oh, so now I have time to focus on the side border. I knew it was too good to be true. So I do have more plants to plant. They're pretty much in their spot. I just need to go over there and put in some compost and get the weeds taken out. But for the most part, we are done planting up. I've been planting since January, I feel like, or February, because we start our planting here in zone 9 pretty early. So you're gonna also notice that my plants, they're gonna teeter off earlier because we have the summer heat to deal with, so that's gonna come sooner than other zones. So we're going to do the same thing to the other one. Punch the pop holes out. There's a screwdriver and a hammer. And then they're popped out. Flip it on over. And I'll fill it with some potting soil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to grab the yellow containers and switch these out for these ones. So I'm going to put these in the veggie garden. And this is going to go over here. La la la. Like that. Ta-da. We're going to have our beautiful blues, reds, whites, and blues. I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. Let me not lose my husband's screwdriver and hammer and get it rested. So the yellow one as well. All right. Let me put this over here. And that's our new layout. Ta-da! Got a frog right there. Hi, Froggy. He was under my container. Are you by yourself? Aw. So lonely. Go back in the garden. Go back. There you go. See, he jumps. I'll leave him alone. He'll find his way to a new home. I put another container over there. You can go over there. Okay, here's an up-close shot. And I'll come back out tomorrow to give you a better shot of what it looks like in the daylight because the sun is gone. Okay, everyone, here go my containers in the morning. Look. She's looking better already. And here go the other one over here. So hopefully it bounces right back. So I have two containers down, that one in the front and this one. And as you can see, I'm getting ready to complete my porch decor. I got a wreath up already. So you know what's going to be next. My next video will be my Memorial Day / 4th of July porch decor. And if you click this video right here, yep, this one right here, it will take you to that video. So I will see you in that video next. Happy gardening. Bye.